Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Jwari Uttappam. For that I have taken half cup of Jwari flour, 2 tablespoons of maida besan, that is gram flour, and 2 tablespoons of rava, and chopped vegetables like onion, methi leaves, coriander leaves, grated carrot, grated ginger. Then for the spice I have added quarter teaspoon of green chilli paste, quarter teaspoon black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon haldi powder. The salt I have added according to the requirement. Now I'll be adding little bit of jeera also in this. Heat the tawa, apply some oil, and after adding all the vegetables in this, add water and bring to a pouring consistency. Now put one ladle full of batter. You can also add wheat flour or rice flour in this, and cook it in low heat. This is cooked now. We'll add little oil in this. And flip it to cook the other side also. It's time to flip this now. I forgot to mention that I have added a quarter cup of oats also in this, oats powder. This can be served hot as it is, or you can have it with any kind of chutney. I have flipped it. The detailed ingredients I shall be giving it in the description box. Now this is cooked from both the sides. So our Jowar Uttappa is ready. It's a very healthy recipe. Do try this and help me have your comments. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. And press the bell icon and all button so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the videos. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.